everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and welcome to Inktober 2020 Part 2. I'm going to do a quick little flip through, show you what I've been doing for Inktober this year. This is Part 1, so if you want to see Part 2, so if you want to see Part 1, that video will be linked above. I'll do a very quick flip through of those pages and then jump into the pages and a little bit about them on the ones since then. So I'm doing Burtober, so everything I'm trying to do is a little bit Tim Burton themed. These were prompts provided by Darkest Raven's Design. I will link her YouTube below. She is also doing most of her designs on Instagram. She does have a couple on YouTube as well. She's got 2 channels, but check her out. She is amazing. This is the prompt list. I ended up decorating this one too, but anyways. The first one was Grave. And again, I will link all of these first 10. The next one was Juice. The next one was Plants. And I decided to do this crazy little bleeding plant. This is my absolute favorite, and this one was actually Snake. This one was Doll. This is 9. This one was Bunny. This one was Scissors. Top Hat. Lace. It's got a little bit of lace here. And Full Moon. So those are the first 10 in a previous video. So the next one I haven't seen yet. This one was actually called Abandoned, and I know technically Dumbo wasn't abandoned, but it was more of a filling. So I went ahead and did the Tim Burton version of Dumbo. Last year, Inktober 2019, I actually did the other Dumbo as well. This one is not finished. This one is supposed to be Mansion. And I did the background, and I just ran out of time and never came back to it. So someday I will put a mansion in here and color this. This one is 2-in-1 because it took so long. This one is Ghost as well as Bats. And these little bats are actually from Darkest Raven's Designs directly. We did a box swap, and she included some little bats. And there's some up there also for my decor. Love this picture. It didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, but that's part of the fun of Inktober. This one is Cards. This one is Button. And I figured 2 little buttons there, but also his mayor ribbon is kind of a button as well because of the middle part. Just a different type of button. He could essentially fit a lot of the themes because he could fit Top Hat, he could fit Button, he could fit Stripes. I think there's a web one coming up. I could have done a spider web in the background. This one is Stripe, and I really wanted to do Beetlejuice again, but I didn't. So I just did a Tim Burton-esque striped wallpaper. I just figured I'd do a little bit of doodling, and this is what I came up with. Next one is Tunnel. So this is my favorite, maybe not the other one. This is my absolute favorite. It didn't take very long to do, but it was the most fun. This is Coraline, and she's crawling through a tunnel. So the prompt was Tunnel. She is a little paler than normal, only because I was afraid to mess up her skin color. So she is crawling through a soft tunnel and sinking in a little bit from the movie. Not super happy about the way this one turned out. The faces on these flowers are amazing. I love the detail on this one, particularly if I can get it without the glare. But I wasn't a huge fan of what I did with the background. I was trying to just do a watercolor effect with the inks, and it just doesn't work the same. And it was on gessoed paper, so you also see my washi tape in the middle. But I absolutely love the faces, so I'm not mad about it. This one is Poison, and this is the book. that they get the poison spell out of in Corpse Bride. And then the little wormy guy. I love him. And then the next one is Flying. And I found out, I did not know this, but Tim Burton had a float in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in 2011. And this is what it looked like. He is called B-Boy. So Tim Burton's B-Boy. Next prompt is today. Today is the 22nd. I haven't dated any of these. I have to go back and date them. So 19, 20, 21. Today is the 22nd. It's been a long day. And the prompt today is teeth. I am going to try to do dark shadows. I may skip this one. I don't know. We'll see. So we have 10 days to go. I have 21 here. 10 days to go till the end of Inktober. Let me know in the comment box below what you've been doing for Inktober. I've seen so many people doing Burtober. I've been watching the hashtag. You all are doing an amazing job. Darkest Raven Design is doing amazing with her prompts. And I love how we're not keeping it to specific ink. I have done at least one thing of ink in all of mine. I know I use color pencil on him, but he is inked as well. His brows and blacks are all ink. And this one is mostly color pencil as well, because I got color pencils from color pencils and markers from Smart Art this month. I know I didn't do an unboxing, but I've just been so busy and I wanted to try out color pencils, and I absolutely love them. They are these from Brunzel. They are the soft gripped colored pencils, and these came in this month's Smart Art box along with 2 packs of Spectrum Noir and another pack of black liners, and it was just an amazing box this month. I was gonna try to use the markers, but this paper does not like the markers. It will bleed through a lot, so I decided, and it didn't work very well on top of gesso either, so I decided not to, and to save the markers for when I had some marker paper. So I'm gonna go try to figure out what to do for teeth. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, let me know, because I really want to hear from you guys. Thank you. Bye.